Oh, that was a bit of a flick.
That's the one.
Yeah, it's a bit of
the bastard.
Yeah, it's a bit of gristle in here.
Oh, bit of gristle.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Brian Taylor.
Bristle.
Bristle.
Australian sports commentator. Oh.
We'll have to call him Gristle now.
Gristle. Oh, Gristle. Oh.
G'day guys, Ninja here with...
Where's my drink? Oh, you don't? No, you go, Ninja, go.
Oh, you didn't want one? He's trying to stitch me up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at this. Darcy's special. He introduced this to MMT.
Vitality mushrooms.
Vitality mushrooms, yeah. Full of reishi, chaga and all the best things. So
Get it down the hatch.
Makes you smarter.
You're going to talk all day, Ninja.
More better looking. Stronger. Healthier.
Better tissues, joints and tendons.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're actually here for a treatment as well.
Tell us what's going on with you, man.
So I've actually got a bit of a discomfort under my serratus anterior under here, so under the armpit. So it started on Saturday. My wife and I actually got T-boned in our car. I was on the passenger side, she was on the driver's side. So it was like we were sitting this way, turning right. Someone hit on the rear, on the driver's side, rear door. And yeah, it's not anything's broken, but it just feels like, I don't know, something in there is a bit caught or a bit stuck just when I sort of do certain movements. So I thought I'd get Ninja to come and treat it for me.
I'll work on it for you, man.
Yeah.
So,
you want me lying down?
You said lying down, you didn't feel as much. So
not as much. It felt like it sort of hides when I put my arm above my head. It's more reaching out front or just like sitting in natural position sort of under here. So why don't we where I feel it the most?
Why don't we just sort of...
Or go straight into it.
Go straight in. No foreplay, mate.
Yeah.
Just
if I reach forward.
no drinks.
Yeah. In around there. No drinks.
No drinks for you. Drink for me.
Straight in.
Straight in. Hit the spot. Is that the spot?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a dynamic treatment. It's one of the ones we really love doing when there's something a little bit different and there's a really kind of definite spot, and it kind of can get hidden when you're lying on the table. So get the people in their posture where they normally feel it, and they can do their own testing. So they can kind of get their own.
When I pull back that way, that really exaggerates.
Yeah, I'm starting to appear now. Yeah. So what's happening? It's like I've got in here, I've locked in, and then all this. It's like all this junk around has kind of cleared. And now I'm kind of feeling where that actual knot is. Yeah, I can really bear into it.
And come back. Yeah, that when I retract and you dig in, there's not too bad there. That little one there.
Yeah. And so when I'm in here now, how's that feeling?
That's all right there. Yeah.
And where do you feel? I'm going to
probably even more
bear
up,
down.
I reckon. Yeah, up. Even if you almost like do a hook grip.
Like that?
Yeah, nearly the pincer might be the way to go.
If I do that.
Oh, yeah, that's got a bit of pepper.
So just so you can see it a little bit.
Oh. It's good.
I feel like I want to go in there a bit too. Like that. So I'm hitting it from the back. That's probably more where the pressure is through my thumb. Now I'm just tracing this. Feels like something's down.
Yeah.
There.
Oh, that big flick.
That was a bit of a flick.
That's the one.
Yeah, it's a bit of
the bastard.
Yeah, it's a bit of gristle in here.
Oh, bit of gristle.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Brian Taylor.
Bristle.
Bristle.
Australian sports commentator. Oh.
We'll have to call him Gristle now.
Gristle. Oh, Gristle. Oh.
Yeah, that when you go up, you kind of feel like I can't really stay on it.
Yeah, it hides, doesn't it?
It hides.
Yeah,
but it was flicking over it.
Try and breathe into it.
I'm going to try and go a different angle. Like that. How's that feeling?
Not too bad. Oh, that big flick though.
I need to kind of get something to...
If I retract?
Pin.
Or do you want me to try and do side lying and see if that
maybe.
Now that we know where it is, maybe you'll be able to find it a bit better.
I'll just go one more go. So I reckon I can trap it there.
Oh.
And go down. So it felt like it was at the back a bit. Oh, yeah, through that.
Oh, yeah. And coming up to it.
And now.
Oh,
Inside joke.
inside joke. Oh, there it was. Oh. Do you want sideline?
Yeah, how's it feel? Maybe you can tell
It
me how
doesn't feel as, it feels like it's already loosened up a bit. But yeah, definitely now I can pinpoint it myself. It probably is down. Initially it felt up here, but now it's probably those lower fibres where I have been flicking over. So let's see if we can
jump on.
Keep them there.
Put this between your knees.
Thank you. Somewhere in here, I reckon.
Let me try and just do some thumb work for a start.
Oh,
that's got it.
Straight onto it, yeah.
Straight on. So I'll let you. I won't do anything with my other hand at the moment. I'll let you kind of just settle into it, and then when you're ready, just sort of intuitively, I'll do little movements. Don't you hate it when you just have a realisation during the day you forgot to put your deodorant on?
Is that you telling me I stink? Or
No, me right now.
I thought you were,
I hope I don't stink.
I thought you were trying to give me a subtle hint, like, you're a bit smelly.
I can't smell you.
Yeah. Yeah, keep going down there now.
Yeah, let that drag.
That
So it's like as you're moving up, that's flossing.
Oh.
Did you know you got a big bruise on you?
Yeah, that was it. That's not painful though. That's
Look at that.
Same thing. I don't know what
From
hit
the
me there,
accident.
but yeah. Something happened. Oh.
So fucking the worst sound in the world, isn't it?
Oh, it's so. Yeah. Well, there was no braking. It wasn't like.
No,
It was just like that car's not stopping. Boom. Fuck. And then it was like, okay, I'm all right. Are you all right? What the fuck are you doing? And then,
you got out and had a spray,
no,
did you?
I didn't.
No.
But
They would have been in shock.
yeah.
So yeah, it's a nice way to spend your Saturday afternoon.
Oh, it's good, isn't it? Just roadside, waiting for tow truck to come and keeping my wife calm. And
Is the car a write-off? Or is it gonna
we
be
haven't heard
repaired?
back yet,
Yeah.
but I think it will be. It's pretty. Oh
It doesn't take much to ride a car off these days.
no, that's what I thought. If there's any sort of structural damage, I would have thought there was
Bending, yeah.
Because it felt like a pretty hard impact. Like I know it always does when you get hit, but this one felt like, okay, we're gonna brace for impact. Like,
Yeah. How's that going?
oh, it's good. It's referring out to my deltoid. Oh, yeah. Keep dragging down. I reckon that's gonna.
Keep going that way?
Yeah.
Down towards your feet?
Yep. There.
Right, yeah,
Oh, that was
flicked
it.
over it.
I reckon you can nearly get a forearm or something a bit broader.
Yeah.
And just
Just see which
see
one.
if that'll sit on it. Here's your chance to repay the debt, Ninja. You can crush your
I'll
ribs.
try. Give me a go.
Oh, I've given you the green light to
Crush
have a
you.
crack at it. Oh,
How's that
it's
feel?
not too bad, actually. The broader pressure's a bit easier.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be... Oh, that's... Oh, I
The
don't
edge
know.
of the spot now.
That's not too bad. Oh. Oh.
There's a good bit of blood through. How's it feeling?
Oh, feeling good. What else am I feeling? Feels pretty good.
I reckon you're fixed.
You reckon I'm fixed?
Yeah.
All right. There we go.
You're fixed.
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 Now I can go and have a drink. Thanks, guys.
If you crash your car, come in and see me. I'll fix you up.
Thank you.
Done.